everybody, and welcome to Caldera Creations. My name is Roxana, and I am so happy to be here today. We are working on an easy to make mental health awareness wreath. We got our grapevine wreath. We got this little sign which I made, writ on there, put a ribbon attached with some wire. We also made the ribbons with our bow Dabra. Yes, indeed, I worked with some of these little mesh ribbon and this other one non-wired. Just roll them to put them together in our little bow dabber, and we're just gonna get these attached on. I'm learning that thing's kind of neat, especially with my arthritis on my finger. Okay, we're gonna get this going right here. We're gonna attach this just like this. I already attached the other one. How's everybody doing today? Let's get that smile on. Okay, then we are gonna get our greenery. Oh, we've got our beautiful greenery going on. Yes, indeed. Look at that. Just put them on here. Something going here. Got another one going here. Ay, ay, ay. Woo. Let go. Okay, right here. Ooh, okay, now we're going to put these beautiful sunflowers in here. Yeah. There we go. We're going to get another one up in here. Yes, indeed. Now we're going to work on this side. Got that going right here. Got one here. Work this one up in here. Wow, look at that, everybody. How beautiful. Yet easy. Yes, indeed. We all could just have self-care. Everybody deserves to be happy, And much appreciation to my center, my Celia Wellness Center. I enjoy going there. Once again, we have another one. How beautiful is that, everybody? Yes, indeed. How beautiful is that? Once again, we are making one more mental health awareness wreath. If you guys like or enjoyed, got any ideas, consider pressing that subscribe button and you will be notified for my upcoming videos. You also will be helping my channel out. So with that said, like and share, and you all have a beautiful day, okay? Yes, indeed. It's nice to be back, and I enjoy being here with you guys a lot. Thank you, and have a great day.